Are you in search of high-performance GPS bike computer? I'm excited to unbox and review Magene C406 Pro bike computer, which comes with cutting-edge technology and innovative design that can help you to achieve your cycling goals. Let me unbox this first. The first thing that you see here is the instruction manual, the Magene C406 Pro bike computer with a mounting bracket. And this is the safety strap and the screw, of course, and then charging cable. And this is all. Let me turn it on. The installation is very simple. First, you have to take the clamp and install it on your bike, and then place your bike computer and turn it towards the direction which is available. Let me talk about some of the features that makes this bike computer a game changer. The Magene C406 Pro GPS bike computer offers improved smart technology with a 2.4-inch HD screen that displays necessary data at a glance. It supports 8 sensor connections including cadence sensor, speed, heart rate, power meter, and even electronic shifting system like SRAM, ETAP, and Shimano Di2. For this price range, it makes this computer one of the best bike computers right now available in the market. In addition to sensor compatibility, the Magene C406 Pro offers various training functions that help you to customize your workout. You can also create training course on the OneLabFit app and then import them into the bike computer, the Smart Bike Trainer, to start the training. Let us talk about the smart notification. The bike computer also comes with smart notification. You can be notified for the phone calls, messages, emails, WhatsApp, or any of these messages on real time. This function ensures that you never miss important information. The Magene C406 Pro GPS bike computer has 13 categories of cycling data, including speed, cadence, heart rate. Additionally, it can display 110 professional cycling data items such as TSS, IF, NP, VI, and more, which will definitely help you to make your cycling experience better. So if you talk about navigation and routes, of course, the bike computer supports the navigation and route planning. You can enter the destination in the OneLabFit app and generate a route directly or create a route on your own by adding a starting point, waypoints, and destination. Import the route into the bike computer and then you can start navigation quickly. Let's talk about activating the bike computer. To activate GPS bike computer, first you need to use the Magene utility app, then enter the valid mobile number and receive the verification code or use the email address. And once you do it, you are all set. You need to make sure that you update the firmware. OneLabFit app is the recommended app that you have to use. To get started, first we'll pair the Magene C406 Pro with OneLabFit app. So here you can see it is detected now and it is sending a pairing request to C406 Pro. So I'm looking at the code here on C406 Pro and I'll be entering the pin here and pair. Now it is already connected. I'll just skip these steps. This is just the guide. And now you can see firmware is available. So I'll update the firmware to the latest version. And we'll wait for this firmware and then we'll move to the settings of it. Of course, you can customize your cycling experience. So let me show you how we can do that. So you can see here on settings, you can see page setup, sensors, functions, profile, and then of course course training, navigation, message notification, preferences, and authorized apps. So first of all, I'll show you the page settings. So you can see here, I created a profile called Amjad. These are the presets which are default with no sensor. If you are using heart rate sensor, so you'll use that. So I'll be using power meter. So preset, if I choose power, you can see here. So I have now these 3 pages available. First page shows me speed, average speed, cadence, heart rate, and moving time. If I go to second page, it shows me power, distance, average cadence, average heart rate, clock, calories. And if I go to last page, 8 data fields here. You can add more pages, of course. You can edit this, add more fields here. So in case I want to add a new page, I'll just tap this and add. You can see here now fourth page is added here. So I was having three pages are default setting. Of course, usually while writing, we are not going to use many pages, but I'll be using fourth page just to show you how we can configure this. So by default, you can see here 7 data fields are there, but I can remove them in case you want to remove. For example, I want to remove all these. Here you can see here 2 fields are here, so minimum 2 are required, of course, in full screen. So first fields, for example, I want to add something, so I'll tap it here. So what I want to have, I will have speed, for example, and what option I want to have for speed is speed, average speed, maximum speed. So these are all the options related to speed. Suppose I just want to have my current speed displayed here, so I'll just add it here. Then I want to have the time, for example, so I can go here time and moving time, lap time, or total time. I'll see how much time I have spent right now. And of course these two are the fields, so I can add more fields here which will be added as a third field, and I keep on adding. It will keep on that maximum of 8 fields I can have it here. So first of all I want to see speed, and then my total time. I want to see current elevation here, and then I want to see my heart rate here. I'm using H604 heart rate by Magene, so I have provided the link of that in the description as well. So let me now choose distance, and then here I want to have power also. I'll be using the power, current power, and then here I'll be using time and clock. So I'll save it now. I'll name it, program name will be, for example, okay. Now you can see here that the program name is saved as SyncBricks. There are multiple program names of these are too customized, and these are the presets. So I'll be using customized program here, apply. SyncBricks program is applied now. Now we'll go to sensors. In the power sensor video, I have shown you how we can add the power sensor. So I'll not show you that here. And functions, you can see here the elevation calibration. So right now the elevation is 74 at the place where I'm living right now. And then backlight, brightness is high, which is fine. And then I can go here to auto lap, and I want to do auto lap after every 5 kilometers, which I'm usually doing it. So I'll be using 5 kilometers here, and parameter by distance, this is fine. Auto power off, I can do the settings, for example, after 60 minutes. If I go to auto pause, this is good actually. Minimum is 5 kilometer and maximum is 10 kilometer when you're riding less than 5 kilometer an hour. So these are all the bike computer sounds control, which is good. Heart rate alarm and power alarm, I will keep it off. These were all the functions. Navigation, so there is a race that I'm gonna participate, so I'll be adding the navigation of that. So import this. I'll go back here, go back here. Now let me show you message notification. For example, phone calls, message notification, messages. So I'll enable in case of emergency if somebody is calling, so I'll enable that. And then preferences, so time format is 24 hours, so I'll be using 12 hours time format. Units, I'll prefer of course metric. Language is English, and display effect, while riding it I don't want to have these options available. Then is of course authorized apps, so in case you want to connect with Strava, so I'm already using Strava and Garmin is already connected to Strava, so I'll not be duplicating the data by uploading from both. So these are all the options related to Magene C406 Pro bike computer. Now we are ready to ride. It is of course a good experience of riding with Magene C406 Pro bike computer, and you can see here the car is detected, and I can see also how far is the car, and now I got the beep also the moment car has crossed me. Alright, so I have just finished my ride and it was a good experience. Even I was able to see the status of the cars through L508 radar tail light. So I was able to get the display when the cars were approaching towards me. It looks very strong and powerful computer here. It's much better than the previous version. This was all about Magene C406 Pro bike computer. I have tried to cover each and every aspect. If you have any comments or feedback, or if you want me to cover any aspect of Magene C406 Pro bike computer, you can leave that in the comment section below. I'll be definitely replying you back. Don't forget to share this video with the cycling enthusiasts like you. If you want to support this channel, don't forget to join the channel.